Hi guys, here 20 minus 4 is 16 times 3 square minus 5 in bracket divided by 2. Here 16 times, here 3 square is 9 minus 5 in bracket divided by 2. Here 16 times 9 minus 5 is 4 divided by 2. Here 16 times 4 is 64 divided by 2. Yes, 64 divided by 2 is 32 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 32 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 20 minus 4, inside the bracket we have two operations. One is exponent, other one is subtraction. Here the exponent is higher priority than the subtraction, so we have to do this exponent before the subtraction. Here 3 square is 9 minus 5 divided by 2. Here 20 minus 4, here bracket is 9 minus 5 is 4 divided by 2. Here we have subtraction, multiplication and division. Here the next priority is multiplication and division, so we have to do this multiplication and division before this subtraction. Here multiplication and division both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 4 times 4, so 20 minus 4 times 4 is 16 divided by 2. Here we have subtraction and division. Division is higher priority than this subtraction, so we have to do this division before this subtraction. Here 20 minus 16 divided by 2 is 8. Here 20 minus 8 is 12 is the correct answer.